Everybody, here we are finishing up our walk. Princess sees it, and watch this. Who is it, her? Who is it? Oh, look! Daddy came to rescue Kira. Uncle Paul came to rescue Cousin Goofy from the horrors of Camp Kira. And of course, see, one can be without their string. And the other one, of course, we tug on. Hi. Okay, here we go, double eagle time. Okay, look. Yep. Guess he's not thirsty yet.
Oh, stop, Daddy. Ready?
Dad, what you doing? I want the empty bottle. That's what I probably want. See? Told ya. You don't have enough toys out inside, do you, Har? Okay, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed this special, spontaneous bonus video. Ta-ta!